Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is interview question: what suggestions you made in your previous employment that were implemented? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this question is only for experienced people. Whenever experienced people, after taking experience in a particular organization, they appear in an interview of some other organization, the HRs directly ask this question that have you ever made any suggestion? Have you ever given any suggestion to the management of your previous organization, and were those decisions implemented in your company? Now, why this question is asked from experienced candidates? The HRs directly want to know that what was the contribution of that particular candidate in the growth and development of the organization, what was the contribution of that particular candidate in taking crucial decisions in the direction of growth of the organization. Now, only those people are involved in decision making process whom the management thinks that they are highly sincere, highly intelligent, highly knowledgeable, and they show a certain level of dedication towards the organization from their side. This is important. If a person is himself not showing dedication towards the organization also thinks that the person is good for nothing. And how a person can show this dedication? By constantly participating in all types of activities that are happening inside the organization. As an employee of the organization, you need to participate in all types of training sessions which the organization is offering you. Now, inside a company, whenever these training sessions are offered, anyone can join them. There is no specification. Now, certain trainings are for specific people, but the people belonging to other domains, they can volunteer into it. If they want to join those trainings, they can join, they can volunteer. So how can you enhance your decision-making capacity for the organization? By participating in large number of training sessions. By participating in large number of growth and development related activities happening inside the company. This is how you can enhance your technical skills. This is how you can enhance your managerial and organizational skills. And more you participate in such kind of events, more your knowledge is going to increase. And when your knowledge increases, you automatically start thinking that how you can utilize that knowledge for the growth and upliftment of the organization. You yourself start thinking from development point of view. And then you directly approach your manager and you tell him that, sir, I have a certain idea for the growth and development of my company. Please listen to this idea. If you think it is good, I want this idea to be implemented in the decision-making process of the organization. Now, in order to give any kind of idea to the organization, first of all, you must have idea. You must have idea, only then you can give that idea. And what is the criteria of developing ideas inside your mind? How to make yourself innovative and creative? By participating in large number of training sessions that are happening inside the organization. Training sessions which happen inside the organization, they are the criteria of uplifting your mental capacity. And once your mental capacity gets uplifted, great ideas, innovative ideas automatically start coming in your mind. And then when you discuss those matters with your seniors and superiors, and if they think that you are thinking logically, your ideas get implemented inside the organization and you also get reward for it. So this is how you need to answer this question. So if you want to answer this question thoroughly, that have you ever given any suggestion to your previous organization and was that suggestion implemented? You need to constantly participate in all types of trainings happening inside the organization. Only then you will be able to answer this question. Ladies and gentlemen, the only criteria of answering this question appropriately is to participate in large number of training sessions and all other growth related activities that are happening inside the organization. You participate in such kind of events, your mental capacity will grow, your thinking power will grow, and when you leave this organization and move into the other organization, during interview, whenever this question is asked, you will be highly confident and logical while answering this question. You will answer this question with real life example. and you will be able to impress the HR, and HR will be willing to hire you as the employee of their organization. So this is the only criteria of answering this question appropriately, that have you made any positive contribution in your last organization. Contributions can only be made if you take initiative. First initiative to learn more and more things by participating in trainings, and then implementing all those things inside the organization, whatever you have learned during those trainings. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.